friends, today I'm going to share with you my quick vodka paneer recipe, and this is a very quick and easy recipe and which we make all the time because this vodka sauce really gives good flavor to the paneer, and it's already is available easily in the market, so it doesn't take much work to make the sauce at home. So to make this recipe we need of course some paneer, and I have used this store-bought gopi paneer from the Indian store, and I have marinated this paneer with some ghee, 1 teaspoon of ghee and some degi mirch and shahi paneer masala, which I am going to use for this recipe. So you can marinate it together and leave it for 30 minutes so paneer can get lots of flavors coated on it. And then we need here some kasuri methi, about 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of degi mirch. And I have here ginger, garlic, red chili and onion paste blended in the blender. And it's all together around half a cup of paste and with a small onion. And then I have some Bertolli's vodka sauce, and this is a really creamy sauce. It gives the creamy consistency, and it has cheese, garlic and tomatoes in it. I flavored this with the shahi paneer masala, and it really gives the good texture and to the curry. And other two things we need are bell pepper, 1 bell pepper and some cilantro, and of course some salt and ghee. So friends, I have here a heated pot to make the curry, and I have a heated pan to toast my paneer a little bit to put it in the curry. So a little bit toasting of the paneer, roasting of the paneer really gives a much more enhanced flavor. So I do that before I put it in a paneer in the curry. And this is really an optional choice. You can put the paneer directly in the curry, or you can toast it on the pan and then can put it in the curry. So first of all, I'm going to put the paneer on the pan. And here I have a heated pan, and I have a heated pot, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of ghee in it, and I will add all my ginger, garlic, onion, pepper paste. So now you can see the paneer is toasted or roasted from one side nicely on the pan. You can turn it over and slightly toast from the other side, and after that just turn off the heat. You don't want too much crunchy paneer, you just need a slight roast on the paneer. So I'm going to just turn it around and turn the stove off, and it will just become a little toasted by itself by the time the curry is ready. So we are going to roast the masala in this pot for the curry. So the onion, garlic, ginger, pepper paste is almost toasted nicely, and it's almost getting there to add the tomato sauce or a vodka sauce in it. So I'm going to cook this a little bit more. You can see it has started leaving some oil in the pan. So I'll cook a little more for a few more minutes, and then I will add the vodka sauce in it. So the ginger, garlic, onion masala is almost done. It is leaving the oil and it's ready to make the curry now. So I'm going to at this point add half teaspoon of Shahi Paneer masala in it. And then just toast the Shahi Paneer masala for maybe a minute or so. And then add the vodka sauce. So I'm using the Bertolli's vodka sauce here. This is my favorite one. So I'm going to add the sauce. I had half a jar of this sauce. So it's 24 ounce. So I've added the 12 ounce sauce, and I have cleaned the jar by adding maybe a 1 cup of water. Boiling, you can see it's a nice smooth consistency with all the cheeses in it and vodka flavor in it. It's very good consistency and it's our family's favorite. So at this point I'm going to add the paneer. Then now after adding the paneer, give it another boil so all the flavors just get accumulated in the curry. Let's add the remaining degi mirch. And I see the curry is getting really thick, and if you don't like thick curry, you can always add little water at this point, because after it cools down it's going to be even getting thicker. So we need to just keep watching our consistency. And if you want to have it chapati, it's just fine. Roti, chapati, naan, thicker is fine. If you want to have it with rice, you want a little thinner consistency. So I'm going to add a little more water to it because I'm going to serve this with some rice, and I will give a good boil at this point. It's giving a really nice boil, and at this point I'm going to add our bell peppers and cilantro. So bell peppers don't need much cooking, so the small pieces of bell pepper with a little bit crunch is really good, you know. And I'm going to add some cilantro or coriander leaves or our dhania, basically green dhania at this point, and give it a good stir, and maybe give it a good boil to get all the flavors synced in the curry. So paneer is ready to be served at this point, and I'm going to turn the heat off. So friends, vodka paneer curry is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.